Samuel Eilenberg. Samuel Eilenberg, September 30, 1913 – January 30, 1998, was a Polish-American mathematician who co-founded category theory with Saunders Mac Lane and homological algebra. Early life and education. He was born in Warsaw, Kingdom of Poland, to a Jewish family. He spent much of his career as a professor at Columbia University. He earned his Ph.D. from University of Warsaw in 1936, with thesis on the topological applications of maps onto a circle. His thesis advisors were Kazimierz Kuratowski and Karol Borsuk. He died in New York City in January 1998. Career. Eilenberg's main body of work was in algebraic topology. He worked on the axiomatic treatment of homology theory with Norman Steenrod, whose names the Eilenberg-Steenrod axioms bear, and on homological algebra with Saunders Mac Lane. In the process, Eilenberg and Mac Lane created category theory. Eilenberg was a member of Bourbaki and, with Henry Cartan, wrote the 1956 book Homological Algebra. Later in life he worked mainly in pure category theory, being one of the founders of the field. The Eilenberg swindle or telescope is a construction applying the telescoping cancellation idea to projective modules. Eilenberg contributed to automata theory and algebraic automata theory. In particular, he introduced a model of computation called X-machine and a new prime decomposition algorithm for finite state machines in the vein of Krohn-Rhodes theory. Art collection. Eilenberg was also a prominent collector of Asian art. His collection mainly consisted of small sculptures and other artifacts from India, Indonesia, Nepal, Thailand, Cambodia, Sri Lanka, and Central Asia. In 1991–1992, the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York staged an exhibition from more than 400 items that Eilenberg had donated to the museum, entitled The Lotus Transcendent, Indian and Southeast Asian Art from the Samuel Eilenberg Collection. In reciprocity, the Metropolitan Museum of Art donated substantially to the endowment of the Samuel Eilenberg Visiting Professorship in Mathematics at Columbia University. Selected publications. Eilenberg, Samuel, 1974. Automata, Languages and Machines, Volume A, ISBN 0-12-234001-9. Eilenberg, Samuel, 1976. Automata, Languages and Machines, Volume B, ISBN 0-12-234002-7. Eilenberg, Samuel, Gania, Tudor, 1957. On the Lusternik-Schneiderman category of abstract groups. Annals of Mathematics. 2nd Series. 65-3, 517–518. doi 10.23, 07/1970062. JSTOR 1970062. Mr. 85510. Eilenberg, Samuel, Mac Lane, Saunders, 1945. Relations between homology and homotopy groups of spaces. Annals of Mathematics. 46-3, 480–509. doi 10.23, 07/1969165. JSTOR 1969165. Eilenberg, Samuel, Mac Lane, Saunders, 1950. Relations between homology and homotopy groups of spaces. Roman II. Annals of Mathematics. 51-3, 514–533. doi 10.23, 07/1969365. JSTOR 1969365. Eilenberg, Samuel, Moore, John C. 1962. Limits and Spectral Sequences, Topology 1-1, 123, doi 10.1016/40–9000, 383 62 90093-9, Isen 40-9383. Eilenberg, Samuel, Ivan 1944. The Fundamental Theorem of Algebra for Quaternions. Bulletin of the American Mathematical Society. 54 246 248. doi 10.1090/-1944-8125-1. Mr. 9588. Eilenberg, Samuel, Steenrod, Norman E. 1945. Axiomatic Approach to Homology Theory. Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences of the United States of America. 31-4, 117-120. By Code 1945 Penis. 31, 117E. doi 10.1073/penis. 31.4, 117. PMC 1,078,770. PMID 16,528,143. Eilenberg, Samuel, Steenrod, Norman E. 1952. Foundations of Algebraic Topology. Princeton, New Jersey. Princeton University Press. Mr. 50886. Footnotes.